Niecy Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to insert the top thread of the Kenmore 385.1291680 sewing machine. Now this machine was gifted to me and I'm so excited about it, so let's get started. First thing you're going to do is take your top thread and add it to one of the spool holders. First step is to insert the thread under the metal piece here. All I did was come here and go under, and there we go. Next thing we're gonna do is number 2, which is the wraparound. And then I go here, and I'm just gonna place it slightly where my finger is, and okay, like that. For number 3, we're going to loop it through here, but this is super easy. Sometimes you may have to turn your hand wheel here. You may have to turn it towards you. You want to make sure that this is at its highest point. So that's at the highest point now. So what I'm going to do is take my thread, I'm going behind and coming back around, and it'll be looped in. So once again, here's a different angle for you. So here we go. I go on the right side, I'm going behind and I'm going back, and look, it's in the hole. So okay, next one. Now that we've gotten this done, let's go down to 4. And 4, you will take this clamp here. There's a metal clamp here. You're going to wrap, come from the back side and place into the clamp. Last but not least is you have to thread it through the needle. Now you want to make sure that your thread is straight. It goes through the needle here and it goes to the back. You can use a needle threader. I don't have one at the moment. So what I usually do is, I'm kind of old school with my stuff. I'll take a pair of scissors and cut the thread here. Okay. And then I will put it through the needle hole here. Okay, so my thread is straight. It's not dangled in any way. You see I'm pulling it down, so it should go straight from here, and it should be straight. It should not be wrapped around the needle in any way. If it is, that's going to be a problem with your sewing. That's one of the major issues with beginner sewers. Is that they have it wrapped around in some way. It should go straight from the clamp to the needle, and then you're gonna, this is called the presser foot. So you're gonna put the thread in between the presser foot. I call it the toes, so put it between the toes and allow it to hang to the back. Okay, your thread always has to hang to the back. If it doesn't, you're gonna have issues with sewing. So just these major components and just following this will hopefully have you with effective threading. So look for our next tutorial on how to thread the bobbin or the bottom part of the sewing machine. This is the most difficult part, but you can do it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Kenmore 385.1291680 sewing machine. Subscribe to our YouTube page as well as like our video. Follow us on social media, as well as give us video comments and ideas. And thanks for watching, and happy sewing!